Lots happening in the political arena as well. And about 30 minutes from now, Rahul Gandhi, in an attempt to get the opposition together, is holding a breakfast meet at the Constitution Club in the national capital. With about 2 hours to go for Parliament today, Rahul Gandhi will be, in fact, chalking out the strategy of a united opposition to take on the government over the Pegasus Snoop-Gate row. The opposition so far has been upping the ante in Parliament. They've been showing a rare unity, really, in Parliament as well. So it is to really work up on that to ensure better unity, better coordination between the parties that Rahul is holding this particular breakfast meet. So the parties that have been invited at this point include the TMC, NCP, Shiv Sena, the SP, AAP, RJD, DMK, the Left Party, CPI and CPIM. This meet essentially will be aimed at strategizing on the opposition Snoop-Gate attack. Trinamool had earlier missed 2 opposition meetings. They're going to be present this time. This comes importantly after Sonia Gandhi had met with Mamata Banerjee last week. So it looks like the TMC has had a change of mind after that particular meeting. This breakfast diplomacy comes to the backdrop of a parliament logjam that's been going on now for over 10 days. Opposition parties have been demanding a detailed discussion in parliament over Snoop-Gate. They've also been saying that a probe must be ordered. The government is saying let a debate first happen on COVID.
Question number 144. Doraji, please go to your seat.
The opposition is turning up the heat on the Modi government over Snoop-Gate. Inside the parliament and outside. Now, in a fresh bid to sharpen opposition attack, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has called for a breakfast pe charcha at the Constitution Club on Tuesday. He has invited as many as 17 opposition parties.
अब ये मनमानी करके सिर्फ देश विरोधी बिलों को ही पास करना चाहते हैं तो वो तो सदन नहीं है। तो मिलते रहते हैं हम। मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं कि राहुल गांधी जी ने कल सभी विरोधी दल के नेताओं को, सभी ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के सांसदों को नाश्ते पे बुलाया है।
The TMC, DMK, NCP, Shiv Sena, RJD, Samajwadi Party, National Conference and CPM are among those invited.
मुझे एजेंडा मालूम है, अगर मुझे निमंत्रण मिलेगा तो जाऊंगा.
It is quite natural while we meet here, some discussion may have regarding our ongoing agitation. Any changes is needed, that things. There is no concrete proposals before us now.
What's even more interesting, the timing of this breakfast diplomacy coincides with the BJP's parliamentary meeting that Prime Minister Modi himself is expected to address. With Anand Patel, Bureau Report, India Today.
Maushmi Singh is joining us live from the national capital with all the details on the opposition meet that's going to be happening in some time from now. Maushmi, good morning. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is usually a meet called by Rahul Gandhi for Congress MPs. This time he's extended an invite to all other opposition parties as well. Which are the opposition parties who have accepted the invite so far from Rahul?
A very good morning to you, Akshita, and all our viewers. Though the morning is not so bright after India lost the semi-finals, the men's hockey team. But we saw that buzz in the parliament also yesterday with, the political fraternity also united as far as sports is concerned. But whether this political match where Rahul Gandhi is actually leading an invitation to several opposition parties, will it culminate in a grand alliance before the 2024 is the big question. More than uniting the opposition, the underlining factor, Akshita, really is that whether Rahul Gandhi has the wherewithal to lead the opposition and to unite the opposition. Whether it's not actually Sonia Gandhi but Rahul Gandhi who will actually be at the helm of affairs, and whether that's an acceptable phase for the opposition parties. And the key there lies on the fact that Samajwadi Party's Ram Gopal Yadav, Shiv Sena, Sanjay Raut, all the political bigs, NCP's Praful Patel, Supriya Sule, all these leaders are going to attend. You can see that the cars are trickling in. Of course, the Congress MPs, almost 99 of them with the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha strength combined, are attending this invitation. But importantly, the bigwigs of the opposition, except the BSP, is also attending, and that actually speaks a lot about a revived and a Congress that is buzzing with energy in this monsoon session, with Rahul Gandhi seen in opposition meetings, Rahul Gandhi heading for pressers at Vijay Chowk, Akshata. That really is a Rahul in a new avatar. We will have to see whether the consistency prevails.
Absolutely. Moushami, request you to stay on with me because as you're telling us and getting us those live updates on the opposition meet, which will happen in about 15 minutes from now, at the exact same time, the BJP is also going to be holding a meeting in which they'll be strategizing how to counter a united opposition. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be a part of that meeting. He's going to be addressing the BJP parliamentary meet. Again, that's happening at 9:30 this morning, same time as the opposition party meet. Now, the Prime Minister will be chairing this meet, and the agenda is going to be how to counter the opposition ruckus in Parliament. During the last BJP parliamentary meet, Prime Minister had slammed the Congress for the deadlock in Parliament and said that Congress is neither interested in a debate nor in allowing Parliament to function. He had also told BJP lawmakers to counter the narrative being spread by the opposition that the centre mishandled the COVID-19 pandemic. So that will be another interesting development that's happening in 15 minutes from now. Two simultaneous meetings, Moushami, that's happening. While the opposition is coming together, putting up a united front, the BJP is trying to figure out how to counter this in Parliament. They've been unsuccessful so far, which is why we've been seeing pandemonium ruckus every single day.
Absolutely. The optics will be playing out simultaneously. I'll ask Ravikant to keep the camera fixed at the leaders who are arriving. But yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attending that BJP parliamentary party meet, juxtaposed with Rahul Gandhi attending a breakfast meet with the opposition parties. There will be comparisons made and meanings derived from these two meetings. But importantly, the Congress party trying to pitch Rahul Gandhi as the man that can lead the opposition. Interestingly, we saw Rahul Gandhi in presses at Vijay Chowk ready to be at the non-strikers, and even as he led the opposition party leaders take the strike. So that's a very different Rahul Gandhi that we see, who's ready to take along various opposition parties. And there you can see Congress MPs arriving here for the breakfast meet. The Congress upbeat about the fact that Rahul Gandhi is hogging all the limelight, is in the limelight and intends to do so. So really, there is a fact that we see that a pepped up Congress party there reaching out, an outreach program that is being led by Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, Moushami, we'll keep coming to you in the next few minutes for all the live updates on those two simultaneous meets. The opposition meet called by Rahul Gandhi, a breakfast meet at the Constitution Club, and Prime Minister Modi chairing the BJP parliamentary meet, both happening at 9:30 this morning.